Hey guys, this is Dave with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Fitbit versus tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to disassemble the battery from the back housing. So when you're looking at your Fitbit and you have it upright, the single button on the left, the two buttons on the right, you want to have a Phillips screwdriver to take out these screws that the battery shield is getting held on with. Near the top of the Fitbit, there's going to be two little screws that are holding the shield. You want to go ahead and unscrew those. Put them off to the side. At the bottom of the shield, there's going to be another screw. You want to go ahead and take that off. At this point, I like to use pliers. And there's going to be tape on the bottom left corner of the Fitbit. You want to go ahead and detach it from the back housing to make it easier for the shield to come off. At this point, you want to pry up on here. Make sure the ribbon that gets connected to the board doesn't get caught onto it and it won't be damaged. So you want to go ahead and pry up on it and work it out. It should come out nice and easy. So when you take the shield off, you want to go ahead and grab a pry tool, and where the terminals are located in the front of the battery, you want to go ahead and go through the back, preferably with a plastic pry tool, and you want to just pry up on the battery without damaging it. Just like so. And it should come out nice and easy. There you have it. All the parts and tools that are used in this video will be linked and available on the website below. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.